Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be reviewing the MV Agusta Brutale S, which is a licensed 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Bburago. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale licensed diecast replica of the MV Agusta Brutale S, which is manufactured by Bburago. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The MV Agusta Brutale series of motorcycles are manufactured by MV Agusta of Italy starting in 2001. Its style is classified as a naked bike, and the series consists of several models powered by either inline-four or inline-three DOHC-engines in various capacities. The motorcycle was designed by Italian motorcycle designer Massimo Tamburrini. The engine was based on that used in the F4 series, which was developed by Andrea Goggi. The first model was introduced in 2001, the MV Agusta Brutale 750 Oro, which, like the MV Agusta F4 750 series Oro, used many magnesium parts and was limited to 300 machines. This was followed in 2002 by the MV Agusta Brutale 750S. And for further information on MV Agusta, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.